Ever found yourself in a financial bind, needing quick access to your hard-earned cash? Perhaps you've considered StashAway as a reliable investment platform, but you're curious about the withdrawal process. How long does it actually take to get your money? Let's dive in and find out. StashAway has revolutionized investing, making it accessible to everyone. With its user-friendly interface and automated investment strategies, it's easy to see why it's gained popularity. But, like any financial tool, it's essential to understand its nuances, especially when it comes to withdrawing your funds. The withdrawal process. So, how long does a StashAway withdrawal take? While it's not an instant process, it's generally quite efficient. Here's a breakdown of the typical timeline. Initiating the withdrawal request. Log into your StashAway account. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal request. Processing time. Once you've submitted your request, StashAway's system will initiate the processing. This typically takes 1 to 2 business days. Transfer to your bank account. After processing, the funds are transferred to your linked bank account. The transfer time can vary depending on your bank's processing speed. Generally, it can take 1 to 3 business days. Factors affecting withdrawal time. While the above is a general timeline, a few factors can influence the actual withdrawal time. Bank processing time. Different banks have varying processing speeds. Some banks may process transfers faster than others. Weekend and holiday delays. Withdrawals initiated on weekends or holidays may be delayed until the next business day. StashAway system issues. In rare cases, technical glitches or system maintenance might temporarily affect processing times. Tips for faster withdrawals. Here are a few tips to ensure a smoother and quicker withdrawal process. Keep your account information updated. Ensure your bank account details are accurate and up-to-date. Verify your identity. If you're a new user or haven't verified your identity, it might take additional time. Plan your withdrawals. If you anticipate a significant withdrawal, initiate the process well in advance to avoid any last-minute rush. Contact StashAway support. For any specific questions or concerns, reach out to StashAway's customer support team. They can provide personalized assistance and guidance. While StashAway withdrawals aren't instant, they are generally efficient. By understanding the process and following these tips, you can ensure a smooth and timely transfer of your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.